All right, guys. So here we are. Let's review yesterday's exit ticket. And simply by reviewing, we're going to address an elephant in the room. And our elephant in the room is going to be a misconception. So here we have, we were given the fractions 1/8 here. So here we have this fraction 1/8. Of course, in order to go from a fraction to a decimal, we simply just divide the top by the bottom. So of course, 1 divided by 8 is going to be 100. I'm sorry, 0.125 as a decimal. And if I multiply this decimal, if I wanted to find out what is the percent, the only thing that I would have to do to make a decimal into a percent is multiply by 100, or I could have swooped my decimal twice to the right. So here you can see I literally swooped from here and swooped once and then twice, and then that is how I got my percentage. Here they give us the decimal of 0.71. Of course, in order to create a fraction from this decimal, we can use place value by seeing that 71 is in the hundreds place, so we can put 71 over 100. And of course, guys, if we ever have any fraction or any number that is out of 100, we know that that can be written as a percent. What I started to see yesterday was that if we had 50, oh, if we had 50 over 100, some people were telling me that this is 5%. Or if I asked you, how could I write 50% as a decimal? Some people were literally going here, they say 0.05. Or if I say that I have 5%, they will literally say that this is 0.5. Y'all, we have to think about percentages as money. So if everything is out of 100, think about your percentages being a percent is basically like a dollar bill. So if I have 3 out of 100, I know that if this is 3 out of 100, that is basically like me saying that I have 3 cents. And of course, in order for us to write 3 cents, we would literally write it as 0.03. And that way we know that this is all 3%. Just like here, if I have 0.43, I know that is in the hundreds place. So here, that is 43 over 100. And of course, any number that's written over 100 is 43. Even if I have 40 out of 100. A lot of people get this confused. Of course, this is going to be 0.4, not 0.04. So make sure that you guys pay attention to that, or 0.40, because this is going to be the make or break when it comes down for us to solve for percent problems later on today. And if you don't know how to convert from a fraction to a decimal, or convert from a percent to a decimal, or percent to a fraction, then we need to make sure that we need to get strong at that. And if you need help, please reach out to ask me. All right, so we're moving on, and go ahead and go to your aim. Go ahead and write your CFS down. After we write our CFS down, we will go into a time to climb.